HVAC people!
Alright folks, first stop in the morning, they say they got a leak. I'm not sure if it's a refrigerant leak or a water leak, but let's see if we can get some footage.
You know, since we never fixed anything, we obviously still have the issues that we had last time. But something has happened. About a month and a half ago, I heard dripping.
Okay.
Right around here. Drip, drip. And at the time, we just had no idea. Was there a pipe leak? You know, we didn't know what it was. Well, I didn't think to like open this up and look then, but it started happening 2 days ago. I heard the dripping again. And we just got a puppy. She's so
pretty. Wow. Oh, beautiful.
Thank you. So I pulled this down.
Okay.
I have a video of it actually dripping.
Okay.
I don't know what you'll be able to see. I mean, you might know more stuff than looking from the attic. So I don't know if you want me to show you the video of what.
Yeah, that would be nice. Okay. And how often do you change these filters?
Well, I changed that one. It's probably almost been 2 months.
Okay.
It was.
But it's not too bad.
Yeah, I don't remember.
Yeah.
It's for sure been this year,
okay.
but it probably
is.
is.
Just try to change them every 3 months.
Okay, yeah, it definitely is. So let me see. Okay, here it is. So you can see the dripping. Now the problem is I tried to get it to show, but I don't think it's coming from here. It's coming like behind that one, which my arm couldn't reach to.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, no problem. We run across these kind of problems all the time.
Okay.
So I'll get up there and look around, try to find out exactly where it's coming from.
All right.
How many, do you know if that's the upstairs or the downstairs?
Well, so this, I think it's probably the downstairs.
Yes, okay. I'm going to turn this thermostat on.
Okay.
And have you been still running the air conditioner?
We have been able, yes, run. So, you know, when you came last time, the biggest problem was that whatever.
I think the breaker was.
The breaker was. Yes. So that was annoying, but anyways, that was the reason it wasn't cooling at all.
Right.
So then, since we had just moved in, and the biggest problem was just the breaker, we were like, we didn't have the money to fix the rest of it right now, so we're like, fine, we'll wait. And then this started happening. And in general, the AC is probably not super efficient. I mean, it's certainly not efficient at cooling our bedroom over there. So.
Okay.
And I don't know if there's like problems with the ductwork over there, or if
I'll look around and I'm gonna give you recommendations. We're gonna try to do the quick fix on this, and then I can still give you recommendations.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
All right. Yeah, I thought the thing was right here. Let's see it right here. No, that's not bad. Oh yeah, I remember. The coil is up here. R22 system. Yeah, I remember this. The furnace here. Need a ladder to get to the coil. Oh no, here we go. blasted by air. I bet the coil freezing up. Flow switch. All right, y'all, so looking at the drain. That's the other coil. Drain tied into there. All right. So I already wrote this up. When I was here last time, it was like a nuisance call far as the breaker was off the condenser unit, and I flipped it on and it started back cooling. I had to go look at my notes, but it seemed like I hooked up to it and it was low on refrigerant at the time. I came out in December, and we in South Texas, and some December they do use the cooling, but this thing need to be sealed big time though. These two tied in again. I've never seen that before. Everything tied in together. We got emergency drain line tied in. That's great. They got everything tied in to one line. I'm gonna go check some pressure, y'all. So that's a little upstairs unit. Like I said, I got a feeling this unit here is low. Like I said, it's been about 5 months ago since, I can't remember if I hooked up the pressures or not though. just checking pressure. Don't worry about that 14A. We're just checking pressure. Alright, y'all, so once again, I mean, I think they probably gonna be ready for a change at this time, because they're gonna be the same diagnosis. The drain line is draining. It's just that when that coil freezes up, it overflows and dripping down that ductwork. But alright, y'all, I'm gonna go speak with the homeowner and give her some options, and hopefully we can get a change out. It's R22 system. You see? Uh, 2007 R22. All right. Let me go around. Trying to get the motor serial number off this coil. To the budget we working with. It's about 18 inch.